Captain Smith returns the tow center from the left, he will accelerate rapidly and snap the Fighting Falcon through 3 aileron rolls, demonstrating his exceptional rolling maneuverability. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left. The Viper is Captain Smith will perform the only double Grumman you'll see here today. As Captain Smith approaches the tow center, he will demonstrate the Fighting Falcon's ability to maneuver tightly and stay unpredictable. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, the Falcon turn, followed by the Shark's tooth.
Turn down for what?
Power and rolling capability as he climbs from 300 feet to more than 15,000 feet. Watch Captain Smith as he descends for more than 2.5 miles up.